Hi, Chef J here. Today I'm going to make Oshinko Roll, a flavorful sushi roll filled with pickled vegetables. You will need 400 grams of cooked Japanese rice, 1/2 takuan, pickled daikon, 3 nori seed, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Blend rice vinegar, salt, and sugar well to make sushi vinegar. Step 2. Transfer the cooked rice to a large bowl and gradually pour the sushi vinegar mixture over the rice while gently mixing it with the rice paddle. Step 3. Cover the bowl with a wet cloth while preparing the ingredients. Allow the rice to cool to room temperature before using it for making sushi rolls. Step 4. Divide a nori sheet in half. Follow the lines on the seaweed and cut along their direction with your hand or scissors. Step 5. Cut takuan into thin strips. Step 6. Place the bamboo sushi mat and nori sheet. Wet your hands with water. Grab the sushi rice and evenly spread the rice on the nori sheet using your hand. Step 7. Place the takuan in the center of the rice. Use your middle finger to hold down the takuan and start rolling from the front until the end of the rice. Step 8. Wet the knife with a damp cloth and cut the sushi roll in half. Align the two halves of the sushi rolls and cut them into thirds. I hope you will enjoy these easy Oshinko rolls, a tasty Japanese pickle sushi roll. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.